हर कॉलेज की इतनी हाई कट ऑफ है, क्या मजाक चल रहा है कोई? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to another vlog. I know you guys are loving the vlogs again, so we are back at it. Today is the 1st of October and as many of you guys might be knowing that October 1 को DU की first cut-off list निकलने वाली है and I am literally so excited, kind of nervous but more excited because finally things are starting to happen. Abhi it's around 12:30. I just posted my video, so I was working on that and obviously doing my favorite thing ever, that is reading and replying to your comments. All of your comments are literally so nice and sweet, so thank you so much for supporting my channel. We also hit 11,000 subscribers yesterday, so that's just amazing. So talking more about the DU cutoffs now, so usually the cutoff comes out in the evening. I saw Carl Entertainer's video. He said कि usually सारे colleges अपनी cutoff submit करते हैं DU को and then DU compiles all of them together and then publishes it on their website. So till then I just have to wait for the list, but the list for 2 colleges have been released. Firstly, Aryabhatta College, I think that's in the South Campus, and उसकी cut off आ गई है. It's 98% for economics, which is obviously pretty high. मतलब आर्यभट्टा की इतनी है, तो imagine दूसरी colleges की first cut off क्या होगी. So I really am excited to know what the other cut offs are going to be. And in fact, I think even Delhi College of Commerce and Arts की cut off आ गई है. And it was 98.75 for economics. But yeah, obviously the first cutoff of every college is higher, and बाकी 2-3 lists में we'll get to know up to what point the cutoff can go. Right now, I think I'm just gonna continue to reply to the comments. So it's around 3 o'clock right now, and DU का तो जब आना होगा आएगा. But I know so many of you guys here are from the classes 10 to 12, and I'm sure you know that जब से इतने education policy में changes आए हैं, you guys have to give 2 board exams. जिसमें से the first part, that is the term 1 exam, is going to be in November or December, which is going to be completely MCQ based of 40 marks. And obviously this is a new pattern that has been introduced, and you guys are still learning how to solve MCQs more efficiently, and a lot of resources are also not available. But you guys don't have to worry, because Unacademy has their all India mock test for the classes of 10 to 12, which is completely free, and the details of this are as follows. The test series has started from 11th of September, but you can still enroll for it, and this series happens on every Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday at 5 PM. It's for both the classes 10 and 12. For the class 10 you have mock tests for maths as well as science, and for class 12 science students it's for physics, chemistry, biology and maths, and for the commerce students as well it's for business studies, accountancy and economics. And all these mock tests have been prepared according to the latest CBSE pattern. You will be getting an all India rank as well as detailed scorecard after every live test, and using the detailed performance report you will be able to understand your strengths and weaknesses, which is going to be very helpful for you. So I truly believe that you will not get a better opportunity to practice for your term 1 exams, that too for free. So you guys should definitely check this out. Simply click on the link in the description and use my code Ananya21 to enroll for free. In fact, you can use my code Ananya21 on any of Unacademy's subscriptions to get 10% off. So make sure to check this out. So it's around 5 o'clock and the cutoffs are starting to come in. A few came before as well, but now there are some more colleges, and as expected the cutoffs are soaring high. It's crazy how high the cutoffs are this time, and as per data it was said that there are 9,600 students between 99 to 100, so that is a lot of competition. Let's just go through them one by one. I am obviously going to be talking about only economics honors because that's what I want to do. So in Gargi College the cutoff is 99. I can apply there. Kirori Mal mein cutoff is 99.5. The cutoff of Hansraj is out as well. Officially तो नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे, but again it's the same 99.75. Apart from that we have Ramanujan College with 98%. JMC also has very high cutoffs this time. Understandably it is the first list, so let's see what happens in the next 4-5 lists to come. So yeah, DU की website पे अभी तक literally कुछ भी नहीं है. When are they going to release? It's 5 o'clock. So Ramjas College की भी cut off आ गई है, and as expected it is 99.75 yet again. अब तो बाकी सब colleges like Hindu and LSR, SRCC it's a for sure 100%. Like उससे नीचे तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है for economics honors. So yeah, that's the scenario of the first cutoff. It is crazy. The 100% आ रही है हर college की. पहले तो it was चलो just 1 or 2 colleges. Now it is every single college hitting 100%. Wow. अब let's wait for the compiled list of all the cutoffs. अभी तक आया ही नहीं है DU की website पे. It's 5:30. God. Okay, so finally the consolidated cutoff is out. I'm gonna click on arts and commerce. This is such a huge table. Let's see. Atmaram 99, College of Vocational Studies 97, Daulat Ram College 99. The cutoffs are so freaking high, it is crazy. Hindu College also 99.75, Lady Shri Ram College 99.5. 100 कैसे नहीं थी इनकी cutoff? 100 क्यों नहीं आई है? Miranda House 99.5, SRCC 100%. Of course, मतलब 100% नहीं होती SRCC की कट ऑफ, तो कैसे काम चलता? तो आई एम स्टिल सरप्राइज्ड SRCC 100 है और LSR 100 नहीं है इस बार. Oh my god. Shri Venkateshwar College 99.75. Okay, that's so high. Honestly, there's not much to say, but these are the cutoffs. First list, obviously we still have hope, and I'm sure maybe things could change by the second or third list more so I have to wait for that. But to give you like an overall view, North Campus से सारे colleges में 99.5 plus ही है cutoff, and in South Campus also like Venkateshwar College now is doing better, तो उनका भी सीधा cutoff is 99.75. Surprisingly LSR is only 99.5, but I don't think LSR की और कोई list निकलने वाली है. Second ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, but they'll stop. It is what it is. Now if you want to know what college I'm going to apply to in the first list, you will have to wait for the next vlog, and that's because that's when the actual process of doing the admission, paying the fees, verification, etc. is going to begin. So I will tell you then, but for now I'm going to keep it a suspense for you guys. But on a more lighter note, there's some exciting thing to share. I am going on vacation, like a small mini trip, obviously, yet again. I'm excited, and you guys should be too, because a vlog, or actually a travel vlog, is going to be coming very soon. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.